Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do our top 5 muscle building exercises. Now for our deadlift, let's put our feet in shoulder width apart. We're going to pinch our shoulder blades together, butt back and down to get to the bar. When we grab the bar, we want to pull from touching our shin. So I'm going to roll this bar until it touches my shin. Shoulder blades pinched, drop my butt slightly. From here, I'm going to stand straight up. Butt back and down, make sure you're getting that hinge in. Now for the bent over row, we're going to go one hand down on the bench, both of our feet off, grabbing the weight, bring the weight up to where our shoulders are parallel with the ground, keeping that shoulder fixed and not dropping it. I'm going to pull my elbow back and high. For the push press, we want to get our barbell right over our chest like this. Slight bend in the knees to explode up through the hands so you make it a full body movement. And then ease it back down. So for the pull-up, we're going to do hands facing the bar, not hands facing towards ourselves. So overhand grip, pinch the shoulder blades together, and then now lift from this position. So what we don't want to do is hang all the way down and let our shoulder joint expand. We want to keep everything nice and tight. So for the squats, let's get under the bar, bring the weight back, feet shoulder width apart. And then now we're going to go butt back and down for the squat. Butt back and down. Now there's a quick tutorial of our top 5 muscle building exercises. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 muscle building exercises, throw it in your routine, let me know what you think.